Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today, something I'm pretty excited about. It's the first time I ever ordered something like this, and the biggest reason I ordered it is because I got it below spot with eBay bucks. That's right, eBay recently had another 10% off, and I do have a lot of silver, so a lot of times with the 10% off, I look for any gold opportunities, but it's getting pretty hard to find gold below spot, even with the 10% off. Gold's gone up quite a bit, and a lot of times they're just not willing to use eBay bucks on it to get it. But I happen to find this one, and I believe that I got this reference point from Losing Louie. He referenced it on one of his videos. If you guys don't follow Losing Louie, you ought to check him out. He's got some great videos. Has some great commentary, and at the end of most of his videos he shows some great deals, and he leaves some links in his description so you can easily click on them and find them. So thanks, Louie, I appreciate it. And again, I'm pretty excited about this, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, like I said, I did buy this off eBay, off a particular person. It was not one of the big eBay resellers like Liberty Coin or something like that. That's who I tend to buy a lot of my, seems like my gold pre-1933 comes from Liberty Coin. So if you haven't checked them out because I usually sell below spot with eBay bucks. But this here was quite a bit below spot actually, and not my typical thing. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. So let's get this out of here. Let me make sure, yep, there is some paperwork in the bottom, so let's toss that aside. Wrapped up very nicely. Let's see what we have here. Oh, United States Constitution coins. Let's see if I can turn this back up. I might have turned this down a little bit too far. Yeah, there we go. Well, it's in the original government packaging, it looks like. That's always cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. Well, it's in great shape too. When I buy these things, I like to look at the corners. And this has, a little bit of a ding and stuff on it, but overall, pretty good shape for how old it is. You can tell somebody took good care of it. Let's pull it down a little bit. And let's see what's in here. Take the lid off. Looks like I've got it upside down. And somebody pointed out recently that when you have gold inside the case, the eagle on it will be gold instead of silver. I never noticed that before, but it indicates, the U.S. Mint does it to indicate that there's gold inside this box. I guess it can help vendors and people just know that they're not accidentally giving away the wrong box. So let's go ahead and get this velvety thing out of here. We do have a certificate of authenticity in here. It's in there pretty good. I don't want to mess it up. I like to see what I'm doing here. I'm already doing what I said I didn't want to do. So we'll look at that here in a moment. We'll set that right there. So let's take a look. Ooh, there we go. There's a 1/4 ounce of gold and 1 ounce of silver. We the people. So before I pop those out of there, let's take a look at the certificate, see what it says they're made out of. Silver dollar and gold $5. So it's a proof 1987 San Francisco, 90% pure silver. And then the gold is from West Point. It's also a proof condition. I'm reading down here right now. And that's 90% fineness, 0.2687 troy ounces. So these are like most of the other commemorative type coins, and they're 0.2419 ounces of pure silver. So they're just shy of a 1/4 ounce. You can see here it's more than a 1/4 ounce because they put more alloys in there than just the gold, because it's only 90% pure gold. So, but if you do the math, it works out to 0.2419. And so I do that math. I do the 2.2419 when I calculate to make sure that it's under spot. So, yeah. So both of them are 90% silver and 90% gold. And I like it if I'm going to buy things like this. I want the certificate of authenticity. I want the box. I want it to be in good shape because this is important in a resale condition. Now you might not get what you think out of it, but you definitely can get the best you can if you make sure it's all intact like that. So let's see if we can get these out of here. That one came out nice and easy, and so did this one. So let's save the best for last here, and let's take a look at the We the People. I actually have this already as a separate coin, but it is $1, and it is again a proof version. I'll put it underneath the coin cam here. Let's take a look. Looks like it's got a little toning on it, not too bad. There we go, We the People. Very nice. I love Constitution and America type stuff. I just really love our country. Anytime I can get something that's related to the country, I will pick it up as a collector. So U.S. Constitution, 200th anniversary, 1787 to 1987. Liberty. Looks like this thing kind of loses focus all on its own. Okay, let's flip it over and take a look. Yeah. Very nice. E pluribus unum, United States of America, $1. Pretty nice, huh? So yeah, I like that. So let's go back and take a look at the star of the show. A proof 1987 $5 commemorative coin. And most of you know that a regular $5 gold coin, an American Gold Eagle, is only a tenth of an ounce of silver or of gold, tenth of an ounce of gold. But the $5 commemoratives are quarter ounce, 0.2419. So that's a big distinction here, and I like that this thing came its own case. It doesn't rattle or anything. It's perfect for it. There we go. If I put it on the coin cam, I'll be able to focus it better. This one has a hard time focusing because there's so much detail on these things. Look at that, huh? 1987, it's an eagle flying with a feather in its claws. Got Liberty there. Again, very hard to focus. This thing is really shiny. Really, the camera has a hard time really picking up its beauty. But it is a beauty for sure. High relief it looks like. Let's flip it over. That We the People again, so matching the other coin. Just trying to overcorrect a little bit so I can see. Yeah, so pretty nice, huh? I think I'm going to put it back onto the main camera and try to zoom in on it that way. So let me put it here. See if we can zoom in. There we go. There's a nice look at that thing. Wow. The high relief on there. I don't know if it's technically high relief, but it sure looks like it is. Beautiful. And the We the People on the back. Proof coin. $5. Bicentennial of the Constitution, United States of America. Wow. What a beautiful coin, huh? Both of them are. Look at those. Pretty nice. And I love that it's a quarter ounce of gold. And again, like I said, don't usually buy the sets like this, but with it being below spot, I figured go ahead and get it. And the price I paid for this at the time with eBay bucks was $22 below spot. So I picked up this whole set for $22 below spot. I was pretty happy with that. I thought that was a pretty good price to pick up some gold and silver matching in the nice case. Certificate of authenticity in there, which is pretty cool. 87 silver dollar and gold $5. That's pretty cool. Have the box to go with it. Can't really see that because I've got it zoomed in too close. Maybe we can see that. Yeah. So yeah, really cool. And then again, the box has a gold seal on it instead of a silver one. So that's pretty cool as well. So anyway, what do you guys think, huh? Pretty cool to pick up a set like this for $22 below spot. And it also allows us to continue on with our 2019 strategies of getting a quarter ounce of gold every month. So I'll consider 0.2419 a quarter of an ounce. That's close enough for me. Plus it's just a beautiful, beautiful coin that honors our country. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and click that bell next to it so you'll be notified of future videos. And also, take a look at these 2 videos that just popped up. I've got some awesome content out there, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.